Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-inch double suction cup. This is totally different from what's out there and what high-rise window cleaners use and have used for years. So what window cleaners commonly use is an aluminum framed double suction cup or a single suction cup. In this instance, we're just referencing the double. And the aluminum frame suction cup is much longer, it's much taller. This is lightweight, it's a durable plastic handle and a frame. It's an all-in-one frame. The plunger on here to release the air is actually at your thumb tip here. So it's a thumb, you depress it with your thumb, releases the air on both suction cups. Because it's smaller, it fits in your hand very nicely. And we sell these on windowworldsupply.com with an attached lanyard. The double suction cups, $49 with an attached lanyard and carabiner. Single suction cups are $40. The single suction cup, very similar, 4-inch cup. It also has the thumb use for depressing and releasing the air out of that cup. So it's again lightweight, especially compared to the aluminum suction cups of the past when high-rise window cleaners have always used. I encourage you, you're a high-rise window cleaner, pick one of these up, try it out. I think you'll be very happy with the kind of compact style, the lightweight of them when they're hanging, when they're not in use. The aluminum can bang up against glass. I always wonder sometimes if it's going to break a window or chip something. With this being lightweight, there's no concerns with that. And it's comfortable in the hand. Very convenient and comfortable thumb depressor to release the air. Great triggers on these. I've been using them for almost a year now, and it's been proven lasts just as long as, I haven't gone through a single one, so it's lasted as long as my aluminum ones have, which I get a year out of usually. And that's a look at the single and the double suction cup. You can find it windowworldsupply.com. You saw it here on Window Warriors Forum.